Now this one's gonna go 8 to 10, but it's gonna pull off the 10 to a 7. 7 on the G and back to that 7 on the B. But it's kind of subtle how he hits that lower 7, so it's like we're gonna have a 7, 6 to 9 on the D after that. So this whole thing is kind of like 1. Okay, then we're gonna go. So we have one of those triplets. A lot of triplets in this one. A big part of Tony Iommi's style was that triplet kind of thing. Right, so we have a lot of these in this solo. So we have 6, 7, 6, and then 6, 6, 6, and used a lot of downstrokes in this solo. Okay, so from the beginning again, we got. Okay, now this one is like a wait till the third beat, 1, 2. And I don't know if I have this exactly perfect, but it's like a 7, 9 on the A, 6 on the D, 7 to 8 to 9, kind of quick one, to the 7 down here in the G. So if somebody has a more accurate one, please let us know, put it in the comments. So it's like 1, 2. That's what I have for it anyway. And we got. So we're gonna have an 8 on the B string, hammer on pull off, another triplet. We got a 7 on the B, 7, 6 on the G. So 6, 7, 9, 7, 10. Another one of these 7, 8, 7s. Another one of those. And then we got 3 sets of that. And then we end with that 6, 7, 9 on the G. We got a 7, and then pull off 10 to 7 on the B. 7, 8, 7 on the B, G string and back, and then 7 to 6, 6. Okay, that gets us like our first main part of the whole thing. So real slow. Once again, we got. Okay, now this next one starts on the 2 beat, so it's like 1. So great ascending run on this one. So, and it really sounds like he picks that second note because he's into that downstroke thing. So it's 7, 10 on the A, and then 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 8, 11, and then a little pause before the 10 on that second string. And you come in on the second beat, so it's like 1. Okay, so we're gonna have that 7, 10, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 8, 11, 10, and then 8. One of those 7, 8, 7s to the 7 on the G, and 6, 7, 9 on the G, and then 7 on the B, 8, 10 to 7 pull off. So we have 1. Okay, next measure. Okay, I could be a little off on this one. It could be like one of those at the end, but it's 7, 6, 7, 9. A couple more of those triplets. 6, 7, 9. For now, I've got a 7, 8, 7. Okay, so we got. Next measure starts on the little 7. Okay, so it's a quick bluesy thing. Using that flat fifth in there. 8, 8, 7. Kind of a slide down there of the 8, 8. 7 on the B, 7, 6 on the G, 9 on the D, 7, 9 on the G. So let's look at this. Now in this next one, this is real tricky. We got to wait till the second beat. 1. So it's 8, 10, 11, 10, and then 9, 11, 12, 11, and then 9, 11, 12, 11, and then 12. So it's 1. Okay, so tricky one. 1. Now our next one is, so we have a 7, 8, 7 on the D, 7 on the A, big 10s back to 7s, and then 1. Next one starts on the 2 of the measure, so it's like 1, 9, 10, 9, big 10s. Then we have, okay, look at your tab on this. We're gonna go same scale, the E minor pentatonic scale with a flat fifth. We got. Okay, so there's different timing. It's like the same notes 3 times on this riff in here, but the timing is very different. Okay, kind of slide up on that last one. Got 7, 7, 9. Triplet thing. 7, 9, 6, 7, 9. So 1. Okay, that gets us to the next part. Let's look at all that again. We got. So this new part. Okay, so that was our last one. Then we got. So 7, 8, 10. A couple 6s. And then we got this rake. So we're coming up to 12s. 14, 15. 14, 12, pull off. Little 12 to 15 on the B. We got little 12 and then 15, 14, 12. And then we got so 14 and again with a quick 14, 15, 14, 12. So it's. And we're going to do the same type of thing with 12, 14, and 11. And then same thing with the 11. We're going to go to the 14 for the last note on the D. And then 12 on the D. So it's like D, da, da. And then 12 and 10 on the A. And then 10 and 12 on the A. 10 and 12 on the E. 1 E and 2 and big 10 to 12. 1 E and 2 and. So it's.